If you need to cancel a pending transfer on AB Tasty, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Access your AB Tasty account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. In the transfer section, find the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Review the details to ensure it is the correct transfer before proceeding. Step 4. Select Cancel option. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. Look for the Cancel option and click on it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting the Cancel option, confirm the cancellation when prompted. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on AB Tasty. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.